In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail shortcut on desktop. By the end, you'll have a one-click icon that opens Gmail in its own window, so it feels more like a dedicated app and less like just another browser tab. Start by opening Google Chrome, since this method works best there. If you haven't used Chrome in a while, it's a good idea to update it first so the menus match what you'll see here. Next, head to gmail.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you land on your inbox and everything looks the way you expect. This ensures the shortcut points exactly where you want it. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main menu. Hover your mouse over the section labeled More Tools. Depending on your version of Chrome, you might also see options like Save and Share or Cast in this area. Don't worry, what you're hunting for is the entry that leads to creating a shortcut. Choose Create Shortcut. In some versions, you might see Install Page as App instead. Both options accomplish the same goal. They add a quick launcher for Gmail outside of your normal tabs. A small pop-up will appear asking for a name. Type Gmail to keep it simple and recognizable. Before continuing, check the box that says Open as Window. This is the key setting that makes the shortcut behave like its own app, opening in a clean window without the usual browser tabs and address bar. If you prefer it to open as a regular tab later, you can always come back and recreate the shortcut without this option. Click Create. Chrome will build the shortcut and place a new Gmail icon on your desktop. Double-clicking this icon opens Gmail in its own streamlined window, ready for you to read and compose messages without distractions. You can move the icon anywhere on your desktop, and it's safe to rename the shortcut if you ever want to. If you use multiple profiles in Chrome, remember that the shortcut will open with the profile you used when you created it. That's all there is to it. You now have a fast, reliable way to jump straight into your inbox. As a quick tip, if the icon doesn't immediately appear on your desktop, give Chrome a moment or check your system's app launcher or search for Gmail among apps created by Chrome. And if you ever change your mind, removing the shortcut won't affect your emails. It only deletes the launcher, not your Gmail account. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Gmail shortcut on desktop.